Hello everyone and welcome to our next Christmas card. What we will do today is a Christmas tree with watercolor background and a penguin coming out from it. So this means that today we will also be drawing. What we will need is green background done with watercolor, and you can see the link below in the caption on the video on how we can do it. Then we will need some white paper, a little bit bigger one. Here you have 12 centimeters. Pencil. Then we will need a golden brush pen, golden pen. We will need a black pen. We will need scissors, cutter, some glue that I have here, a rubber, and yes, a carton to cut it. And also, if you want to try to write as well, you might want to have like this kind of thing, which is, I call it a digital window that you can use to retrace things if you want to. So these are the materials, and now we can get started to draw to make our Christmas tree with a penguin.
So we start taking our background and turning it, and then we take the silhouette of a Christmas tree that we already prepared and trace it in the background. So that will be the lines that we will use to cut it out. And before cutting it out, then we will take a carton, put it below so that we are not cutting the table, and we will use a cutter this time. The reason why we are using a cutter is that then we will have also another background with a hole on it with the Christmas tree form that we can use to do another Christmas card if we want to, and we will not throw it away. So now it's ready, and we can take a white piece of paper that I was mentioning before. We look where to place it, and then we are tracing on the upper left side where the Christmas tree will be. This will give us the reference to where to draw our penguin. So I'm retracing a little bit, and there we are. Here is the line where the penguin will come out. To draw the penguin, really easy. You make first a bigger circle. That will be the head of the penguin. And then inside you will draw a M like the one of McDonald's. So this rounded M. And then to do the beak, you will draw a triangle with some rounded lines, not straight, and the eyes are just two little dots. Then you have the paws, seeing how you can draw them, and actually it will be already finished. If you want to do some little bit better eyes, you just draw like you see here. So it's black, and you let this white space. So it's the light coming. We'll do it with the ink. Then you do the cheeks, eyebrows, and I'm retracing a little bit here to see it, and a cup of olive hair. And you had already a nice looking penguin. So as you see, it's really easy. And when you're ready, you take a pen. Now I have this pen here. It's a black pen 0.5, and you retrace what you were drawing. So here I'm doing the eyes, as I was telling you, with this white dot, and the eyebrows. So actually just retracing everything that you did with the pencil before. And once you're finished with the pencil, so with the retracing of the pencil, then you can go with the black, and you will fill this side here, so the head, just with the black. So everything filled with black. We are not using shadows or lights because we want to keep it really, really easy. So almost done with it. And when you're done with it and you're satisfied, you can go with the rubber and very gentle, just eliminate. If you still have pencil, be really sure that it's dry. And then here I'm using the golden pen, so it's a brush pen, and I'm doing the beak and the paws, so that is, you also have a little bit of gold. Then you look if it's fine with the tree, you retrace if you want to retrace a little bit with the black, and then you're ready. You can take the glue and then position your tree on the paper.
So we are finished with it. We did it. We have our hand-drawn penguin coming out from the Christmas tree, and we can also let it as it is, or if we want, we can also add a writing on it. Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, whatever you want to write on it. So let's have a look on how we can do it.
As I already explained, I already prepared my Merry Christmas and I'm retracing it using my digital window. So I'm writing first all the letters, so Merry Christmas with single traces as I was doing, and then I'm adding a little bit of decoration here. So I wanted to remember a little bit of the champagne bubbles just to celebrate. So turning off my window, then I'm retracing it to make it a little bit more shaped, a little bit more bold. Not everything, so a little bit imitating the calligraphy style. And then I'm using the gold to do a little bit of color there, decoration, drawing the trunk first with ink, then a little bit of gold, Christmas bubbles with gold, shadow on the left and below that with dark, so with the black, and then with the silver to do the highlights on the upper right side.
And now we are really done. So that's finished. We finished our Christmas card. What we have to do is to put our white paper on a Christmas card, on a card, and then it's ready to be given to anyone that you want. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel to see even more content like this. And we would also be very happy if you would follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are always sharing our reels with other ideas on how to do Christmas cards. We're sharing our characters, our comics, and so on. So, thank you again for being with us, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!